To create a Dynamic Forms account, click Create New Account. Choose a username and a password that must meet the password restrictions. Enter your first name, last name, the email address that you will use from now on for all of your dynamic forms. Select a secret question. And then you'll need to verify your email. Just click the confirm email link, and that's it, your account is activated. Then you can log in using the username or your email address and the password you just selected. Then simply answer your secret question the first time you log in on a new device.